Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna talk about the oil change on 2017 and up GSXR 1000, because when I was changing the oil I was trying to look the videos on YouTube that how much oil does it take and all that. I didn't find any video, so I figured I should make one, so it's gonna help some of you guys. So anyways, changing oil is pretty simple. All you have to do is, you don't really have to remove the full fairing. You can just remove the bottom, like lose the bottom. In order to do that, you have to open this bolt right here, this one, and this bolt right here, and this one right here. Those three bolts, you take it out, and then there is a rubber push thing over here, so you just gently pull it, the rubber thing comes out, and that gonna lose the bottom part of the fairing. So once the bottom part is loose, you can access the oil filter, which is right here. I don't know if you guys can see, but right there. So you can access that to open it, and there's a drain plug on the other side, which is right there. So once you open the drain plug, obviously you drain all the oil out, and then you access the oil filter. You change the oil filter. I mean, it's pretty much easy though. But how much oil does this bike take? This bike takes 3.8 US quart. Like, I was using Mobile One. I bought 4 quarts, so I used all those 3, and the fourth one I have this much left. So this is how much oil does the bike take. You don't have to look through the side window and stuff. Like, you just throw the 3.8 quarts in. Like, see, this is right on the top line. So this is all the video is about. And the oil filter I put K&N, and the oil I use Mobile One 10W.40. So if you guys have any other questions, feel free to ask. Thank you.